Okay, so I got a wine glass.
Oh, the water's hot.
Vibrates with a certain frequency, right? Now, I'm going to add more mass to it. Okay? So for those of you that are musically inclined, what happened to the frequency? What happened to the pitch? So, hold on. Let's go back. So, there's this one. Okay? Right? So here's this one. So get this. Okay? Right?
What are we talking about?
Got that?
Yeah, it's lower. It's lower for sure. Oh.
You got that. So, Cindy, if there's anyone in the class that should know this answer, what happened to the pitch? Did it go up? Did it go down? Go down. Pitch went down. So frequency is a measure of pitch. So frequency became lower. So is there a direct or inverse relationship between the amount of mass that's in the glass and frequency?
More mass.
So if I put more mass in there,
Lower frequency goes down.
then you get a lower frequency.
Can we keep going?
If I take that out,
Go as low as possible.
I want
As high
high.
as possible.
No, it's gonna be high.
okay,
It's gonna sound like heaven. Let's get high.
Hey, that's me. That's not
Aztec
me, but
okay.
Just like Minecraft. I could make that.
So there's an inverse relationship.
We're not talking about this. We're talking about
So if I look at this relationship, where am I going to put the square root function? Where am I going to put the max? On the top or the bottom? Bottom? Maybe some constant?
oh my gosh, that's high. That's what do we get?
What?
Wow.
Okay. So what this is talking about is the frequency of the vibration, right? So we just showed that as I decrease the mass, divide by a smaller value of mass, the frequency gets higher. So this is why I divide by. Now, what about period though?
It decreases.
That would be a straight relationship, right? So if I put more and more water in,
Why do you have to use acidic acid?
it's just because it's cheap vinegar. This acts as like a cleaning solution. Because if you have oil between your fingers and the glass, it won't vibrate. Okay, so that's why I just use that to get it clean. So, yeah, and then you can basically make any pitch that you want as you alter.
Is there a mic over there?
No, it's just really loud.
No, that's just how it's vibrating.
Wait, what's in the glass?
Just water.
What happens if the pitch goes too high?
Yeah.
What about if it's too low?
Same thing. You only have a certain range.
So it's like
Wait, and then I get
Okay.
Why are we so
You don't have everyone have.
All right.
what? What about the cake?
Like the whole class you just
Does that look like a dog can do?
No, the K is just a
Gavin just said he
constant.
wanted to be a dog.
And that's just going to change the general description.
Does that look like a spoon? No, but think of it. Glass. Oh, glass can still vibrate. Glass can still vibrate.
Oh, wait, after you in?
Group leader said it was over.
Group leader said it was over.
Shannon's the group leader, bro.
Sorry. You know the part.
Adam's technically. Adam's the white.
Wait, if I do this tomorrow, I can.
Adam's basically group leader, all of them but in name. Shannon's group leader.
What page are you on?
It's chapter 14, so it's like page 466.
That's like pretty close to
Shut up.
What's the page after that?
Don't do
Like, what's the page after that?
It's around 406, 4.
Don't do it, don't do it.
More six
Dating, don't answer the question.
So these start on page 463.
Okay, so same from yesterday.
Yeah, it's the
Yeah.
same chapter as yesterday. It's just chapter 14. That's why I got assignment 14 too.
He only has one physics fourth block. He only has one fourth block. Yes, Ryan. Yo, I think I surveyed just a little bit. He only has one physics fourth block.